So you've got your brand new iPhone and you haven't had an iPhone before, or you are upgrading for the first time in years and you don't know how to operate or maneuver around this new device. For many, this can be a daunting task. So today, what we're going to try to do is alleviate that pressure point a little bit. We're going to go step by step here, and this is one of the easiest things that you can do with your new iPhone. All of us need to at times either turn off our phone or turn it on. So let's see how we do that. All you need to know is that your volume button is on the left side of the device. And what you want to do is press down on the down button. I don't know if I'm in focus here. Let me see. So what you want to do is press down on this, the down button, as well as the button over here at the same time. And what you'll see is the screen will change and give you the option to slide to power off. And you also have an emergency SOS button. So we're just going to go ahead and slide there. And as you can see, the device has now turned off. So let's go and jump into the second thing that we would need to do. Obviously, we've turned off our device and now we need to turn it back on. So we simply just go back to the right side of the phone and we press that button. Wait a couple seconds and you should see an Apple logo pop up on the screen like you just did. Give it a couple minutes. We'll speed through this part. And once that finishes, your iPhone will turn back on. So we've gone through turning off and turning on your iPhone today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comments and I'll try to respond as quickly as possible. Until next time.